Alright, I just filmed this, but I screwed the gutting up so bad that I wanted to refilm it. This is the Goal S. As you can see on the key, it does say S. Little 5-pin. It's actually a nasty 5-pin lock. Well deserved of its blue rating. Because so whenever you pick a Goal S, you want to get one pin, or one click, then a second click. And sometimes you have to help the counter rotation for that second click. But you'll be able to feel that it's not set. Like when you get a single click out of the pin, like that, and you push on it, it'll want to pull your tension wrench because the pin is actually trapped in the overmilling. And especially on like this last mushroom here, it's nasty. Boom. There we go. Open. Alright, now let's gut this again, but not screw it up this time. How about that? Alright, so the other thing I want to say is Goal D9, Goal S, any Goal where you're taking what appear to be Phillips head screws out. I know they're not lined to say they're posi drive, but they are. If you have labeled posi drive bits, a posi drive 1 is what you need to use. You will strip these out, especially on a Goal with a Phillips head screwdriver. This one, they don't even have Loctite. And I didn't tighten them down the whole way when I put it back together after I screwed that first gutting up. But they get tight as hell in there. So there we go. The cool thing about Goal, though, too, is a lot of their locks contain a Bible cover. And especially this S, you can literally pop it off with your fingers like that. There we go. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do the pins now. 1. Two. So I'll show you what I mean by they have an assortment of pins. Depending on driver length, there's a couple different pins in here you can have. I don't know if it's by necessarily driver length, but that's what I'm assuming it is. Let me use the key to get these above shear line. There we go. And they use baby little drivers and baby little key pins. There we go, is that. Let's get this last driver out. There goes that. And I don't actually know if they are mushroomed. Yeah, they are mushroomed a bit, some of them. And then we still have 2 drivers in there. There we go, is that one. Last driver pin. that on. Let me get the key out. I need to get this off because this thing actually does have some milling that I want to show. I probably should have left a pin in there to do that. We're just going to throw a really long driver in there. That's not going to work. Ooh, there's the ball bearing. Ah, there we go. Yo, if you guys don't have one already, Bare Bones for like $3. They sell this little half knife. It is great for that right there. Alright. Let's pull that out. There we go, is that. There's a little ball bearing in there. Red said he thinks it's for construction keying, I guess. So look here, and what I mean by it, these things have an assortment of pins in them. God damn it, why won't you fucking focus? Sorry for my French. I'm sorry, guys. But I'm the guy who swears. There we go. Alright, so, look here. Pin 1 is a T-pin. Right? So there's no lip on this one. Pin 2 is a mushroom. So there is a lip, and I'll show you what that gets caught on. 3 and 4 are both gold gins. 5 is another mushroom. So 2, 3, 4, and 5 do have lips on them. And those lips get caught on this overmilling that you can see there. See that? And when you do this, you get a click there. So you do have to help counter rotate that sometimes, especially on the gins. The mushrooms, it kind of will do it by itself. But yeah, there we go. There's the Goal S.